Hello everyone, welcome back to Ridesbook. We are going to today talk about the Duesenberg Model J. Introduced in 1928, remains an enduring symbol of automotive excellence, seamlessly blending performance, design, and luxury. At its heart lies a 420 cubic inch straight-8 engine, producing 265 horsepower, a remarkable feat for its era. This powertrain enabled the Model J to reach speeds up to 116 miles per hour, solidifying its reputation as one of the fastest and most powerful cars of its time. The Model J's design exudes timeless elegance. Its long, sweeping lines, distinctive grille, and meticulously crafted details reflect the opulence of the late 1920s and early 1930s. Each vehicle was custom-built, often featuring bespoke coachwork tailored to the owner's preferences, resulting in unique masterpieces that showcased the pinnacle of automotive artistry. Inside, the Model J offered unparalleled luxury. Cabins were adorned with the finest materials, including rich leathers, polished wood veneers, and intricate instrumentation. The attention to detail ensured that every journey was a lavish experience, catering to the desires of the most discerning clientele. Given its substantial engine and the performance standards of its time, the Model J was not designed with fuel efficiency in mind. Its primary focus was on delivering unmatched power and luxury, which often resulted in higher fuel consumption, a common trait among luxury vehicles of that era. In summary, the Duesenberg Model J stands as a testament to an era when automotive engineering prioritized grandeur and performance. Its legacy continues to influence modern luxury vehicles, reminding us of a time when cars were not just modes of transportation but also symbols of status and craftsmanship.